Have you, woman, ever felt alone?
Have you ever been in class and even though you had something to say, you were too afraid to say it?
Have you ever been afraid of doing something just because of the judgment of others?
Even in spaces where they should feel safe, like in our universities, the fear is one of the feelings that is constant in women's lives. According to Kippendorf, a social scientist, the perception is always real, even if later it turns out to be an illusion. So even if the university guarantees some types of protection, it became clear through a survey that 80.58% of the women there have felt afraid, belittled, invalidated, or silenced, where 55.3% of women stopped posting on social media because of the fear of judgment. 52.4% stopped themselves from saying something because of the fear of reprisal. 42.7% felt belittled. 38.8% have been through some situation where they were interrupted or silenced by a professor or colleague, and 34.95% had an opinion or behavior ridiculed and attributed to hormonal issues. Our problem question for this project was, how can we make women feel confident to get through social pressures and, through that, feel less vulnerable? We took into account the concept of eyes on the street from Jane Jacobs and Jane Gale, where they state that the best way of keeping the streets safe is by raising the urban looks, meaning people looking at people. Nonetheless, with the security issue we want to work with, it isn't just about physical security. Our proposal is to encourage a sense of community between the students, where the looks will not be simply seen, but form of support, for them to feel safe expressing their opinions, defending their ideals, and walking comfortably in the university, and living. As a proposal, we intend to create the group Women of the School of Design, which will aim to create effective relationships that promote a sense of community where women can feel welcome to talk about their problems and ask for help. Debate topics of self-esteem, creating a conversation network where women can share their feelings and experience with the other members. For this, we intend to create a semi-annual calendar with fortnightly events that promote connections, debates, and awareness. The events will be designed to have three sections. The first, a playful part that will attract women and make the environment more relaxed. Then a conversation with an expert who discusses the topic, and by the end, a moment for a snack that stimulates strengthening the connection between women. For example, a workshop of self-makeup where afterwards the students have a conversation where they discuss how the concept of beauty is built, ending with a coffee break or going out to a bar. For now, our proposal ends here, but we hope that it grows and prospers, becoming articles, research, contests, and more. And in addition to make them feel safe, it will open spaces for the students, turning into a network who inspire other universities to replicate the group, strengthening and valuing women.